Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. Today, we're diving into a topic that could transform your financial landscape: passive income with niche websites and blogs. If you're ready to unlock a world of income streams and take control of your financial destiny, make sure to subscribe and stick around. Let's get started. Segment 1: The Power of Passive Income. Picture this. You are lying on a sandy beach, sipping your favorite drink, and your bank account is steadily growing without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, that's the magic of passive income. It's the kind of income that continues to flow even when you're not actively working for it. It's the ultimate freedom, the ability to enjoy life while your money works for you. This isn't just about making extra cash, it's about building a future where your money works for you. Segment 2: The Category Advantage. So, what's a category, you ask? Well, it's your corner of expertise, your playground in the digital universe. Think of it as your unique area of focus, tailored for a specific group of people who share a common interest. By narrowing your focus, you're not just playing it safe, you are positioning yourself for success. Let's break it down. Imagine you are a traveler. Now, you could start a general travel blog, right? But think about the competition: countless websites covering all things travel. How will you stand out? Now, imagine targeting a category within travel, like solo backpacking in remote destinations. Suddenly, you've set yourself apart, offering valuable insights to a specific audience seeking that precise information. Segment 3: Crafting Captivating Content. Imagine your content as a virtual conversation, a way to connect with your audience on a personal level. Whether you are penning blogs, articles, or even scripts, your words have the power to inspire, educate, and entertain. Let's uncover the magic behind creating captivating content that resonates with your audience. First and foremost, understand that content is king, but not just any content. It's quality over quantity that truly counts. Your audience is searching for solutions, insights, and valuable information tailored to their interests. So, how do you create content that captivates? It's about knowing your audience inside out. Remember the target audience we talked about earlier? Think of them as your virtual companions. Address their pain points, answer their questions, and provide solutions that genuinely matter to them. Segment 4: AI Boost, your secret weapon. Ready to take your content creation to another level? Meet your co-pilot, ChatGPT. AI can help you brainstorm fresh ideas, refine your structure, and even suggest creative angles you might not have thought of. AI isn't here to replace your creativity, it's here to amplify it. You can use ChatGPT to unleash your creativity and produce content that stands out. Segment 5: Building your online empire. Imagine your content reaching not just an audience, but a community of like-minded individuals who hang on to your every word. That's the power of building your online empire. To kickstart this journey, it's time to establish your digital footprint. Start with social media platforms that align with your category: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. These platforms are your canvas to showcase your expertise and connect with your audience. Segment 6: Sharing Value, Building Community. Imagine your content not just being consumed, but sparking conversations, igniting curiosity, and creating a sense of belonging. That's the power of sharing value and building a community. The key is consistency. Regularly post valuable content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's quick tips, informative infographics, or thought-provoking questions, aim to leave your audience better off after interacting with your posts. Remember, sharing value isn't just about what you provide, it's about how you engage. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a two-way dialogue. This not only shows that you care about your audience but also creates a sense of community. Segment 7: Monetizing Your Passion. The moment you've been waiting for: monetization. Imagine turning your passion into profit while keeping your audience engaged and satisfied. It's a win-win situation. Let's kick things off by discussing one of the most popular and versatile methods, display advertising. By joining ad networks like Google AdSense or MediaWin, you can display ads on your platform and earn revenue when visitors click on those ads. But that's just the beginning. Affiliate marketing is another dynamic strategy that allows you to promote products or services relevant to your category. When your audience makes a purchase through your referral links, you earn a commission. Segment 8: Mastering Affiliate Success. But there's an art to affiliate marketing. It's the brilliant strategy of promoting products or services relevant to your category, and when your audience makes a purchase through your unique affiliate links, you earn a commission. It's a win-win scenario. You get rewarded for helping your audience find solutions. The foundation of affiliate success lies in authenticity. You've built a loyal audience by delivering value and insights. Now, when you recommend products, your audience trusts your judgment. Remember, trust is your most valuable asset. Authenticity and trust building are the keys to success here. Segment 9: Your Path to Financial Freedom. As we wrap up, remember, this journey is about more than just money. It's about building a future where your financial worries are a thing of the past. Keep in mind, it's a marathon, not a sprint. But with dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you'll be on your way to financial freedom sooner than you think. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to passive income with specialized websites and blogs. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow money enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, remember, your financial future is in your hands, and websites and blogs are your golden ticket. Keep investing in yourself and your future.